On April 21st, 2016, the world lost Prince, one of the most prolific songwriters and entertainers of the 20th and 21st centuries. And though we still mourn his loss, his music lives on. The Minneapolis Sound, the baddest Prince tribute band in the land, is coming to a city near you. Covering all 40 years of Prince's career, the Minneapolis Sound performs all the hits. I know what's on your mind. The deep album cuts. But before I let that happen, I'll dance my life away. Say 2000 party. The B-sides. Kiss. And even the music of many of Prince's protégés, including The Time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brothers, don't be cool. Women like it sometimes when you act a fool. Sheila E, Chaka Khan, and many more. The Minneapolis Sound are not impersonators. This is a band of world-class musicians paying tribute to the Purple One. Experience his masterpieces, performed just the way they were written and recorded. Only wanna see you, only wanna see you in the purple rain. 1999, Little Red Corvette, She's Always in My Hair, Kiss, Love Bazaar, The Bird, Purple Rain, and many more. 2 hours of pure purple joy. Come dance the night away to the music of Prince, performed by the baddest Prince tribute band in the land, the Minneapolis Sound. You don't want to miss this.